Vamos a bailar un pasito más, bueno para gozar. Un pasito más, vamos a bailar un pasito más, bueno para gozar. Un pasito más, vamos a bailar un pasito más.
Welcome back to SBK LOCO. Today we have a stylish crossbody lead video for you. One of the things I noticed from teaching is that students are often, or new salsa dancers, they're often so focused on just doing moves and doing like this, and they're not utilizing the crossbody lead enough. Now sometimes on the dance floor, if you come early perhaps to a social, you have tons of space to dance. So I'm going to teach you how to dance her around the room a little bit, okay? So it's very easy, okay? So actually, she will always go wherever you point your shoulder. So if I point my shoulder this way, she's going to go there. If I point it this way, she's going to go into the water. Okay, so watch this. So first, basic, 5, 6, 7. Now I'm going to turn my shoulder out. 5, 6. She will go wherever my shoulder is pointing. Ta, 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 ta. And always make sure you send her where you think you're going to send her, okay? So don't not look. 5, 6, 7, for example, okay? Second one is very easy as well. It's just a check step. So normal crossbody leap, 1, 2, 3. From here, I'm gonna put all my weight on my left leg, and then I'm gonna stop her. 5, and send back. There's two ways to do it. I can hold with my frame and send her back, or I can simply just use my body and hold her back. It really depends, okay? So let's go again. Check step, we go. 1, 2, 3, and stop. 6, 7. I'm not just doing like this. I'm using my whole body. I'm stepping back with my weight. So 5, 5. The reason why I like this is you can do a lot of things with this. So watch. I can do a check step, and I can go for a hair comb. 1, 2, 3. Or I can go for perhaps a head roll, and then send her for whatever I want to after that. Now there's another thing you can actually do. You can actually send her for a turn. So 1, 2, 3, collect and release. 1, 2, 3, beautiful. Let me show you from this side so you can see what I'm doing here. Here, instead of doing the normal check, 5, I'm gonna open her out a little bit. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, check out and spin. 1, 2, 3, beautiful. Second part is gonna be a reverse crossbody lead. We're gonna do a little leg sweep. So, reverse crossbody lead. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna step out of the line on 3. Watch that again. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm opening up. 5, 6, 7. On here, 1, 2, 3. Leaders, you have the option. You can step forward, or you can just go like this. Whoa, whoa, whoa. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Check her out. Just kidding. 5, 6, 7. Okay. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, and 5, 6, 7. Okay, so I'm going to do a little bit of a self-turn crossbody lead, okay? So watch me. 5, 6, 7. I'm going to make a window with my hand. Watch again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. From here, same first part of the crossbody lead. 1, 2, 3. Now this lead is actually coming from the bottom hand. It's not coming from here. This is just chilling. I'm going to step a very strong 5. 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. So now I'm going to do a little bit of a slide over. So watch this real quick. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. You can do really stylish from here. 5, 6, 7. Last one, we're going to do super stylish. Okay, super stylish. Let's do this. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. From here, the lady's going to step out. Leader is going to go down. 1, 2, 3. So watch that again. 1, 2, 3. So ladies, if you're going to go for a hip roll, make sure your 1 is here. You're going to go 1, 2, 3, and make sure you change your weight so your 5 is available to do a crossbody lead. Okay, so watch that one more time. And 1, 2, 3. Who does it better? One more time. Let's go. Let's go. Ready? And 1, 2, 3. Okay, good. And let's go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Down and up, across and open. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Boom, pa, ta, ta.